Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Gmail account on PC. And now let's start right in. Now first to log into your Gmail account, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in gmail.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the login page of Gmail like this, where first you'll be required to enter your Gmail address like this, or if you have forgotten your email, simply click on forgot email and you'll be able to retrieve it. And with that being said, you can also enter your email or your phone number, and after that click on next. After that you'll be required to enter your password and click on next. Then you'll be signed into your Google account, or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forget password to go through procedure to retrieve your password. Guys, this is how you log into your Gmail account, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.